recently installed this wall control 3-panel project kit, and honestly, in just 2 days in the shop, it's been fantastic, where I actually get to put my tools back rather than just setting them on top of the tabletop and having them sit there until my next project. It's just a whole lot of clutter, and this encourages me. It really helps me put my tools back to where they were going or where they need to be, so they're not sitting out. And that's probably been one of the biggest advantages that I've seen so far. The next thing, I built a little charging station and a clamp rack. This has allowed me to get a couple new tools, which everybody likes. So I've upgraded my clamp selection with a couple Bessie gear clamps, and really had those now up and out of the way rather than stored on top of a table or a work surface and really getting in the way. So still a little bit more work to do. I've got door faces to make and then doors to make in my cabinets. It's a little messy right now, but they're all pull-out drawers. It's really organized my shop, and very excited about getting to build a project in my workspace. It hasn't been this clean for a while. The whole goal was for this to encourage me to build more. Really, I spent all my time cleaning up or setting up and tearing down, and I wanted to get away from that. And already I can kind of see the advantages of that.